LED. In this video, we will show you how to solder an LED or light-emitting diode onto the PCB. Using the instruction manual, identify the correct component that you need to solder. Carefully remove the component from the packaging. Identify the correct location on the PCB. Use the manual and the PCB markings to help. With this component, the orientation is important. The shorter leg on the LED is the negative. Use the markings on the PCB to ensure you have got it the right way round. With this component, one of the line-in boards should have the LED soldered onto the opposite side of the board. Pull the LED through the board as far as it can go. Holding it in place, turn the board over and put a 45-degree bend in each leg to hold it in position. Next, solder both of the LED legs to the solder pads on the board. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help.